Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block server invite link from your Discord server. So just follow me. At first, just go to your Discord. As you can see, it is a Discord server invite link. Now, to block this from a channel, what you need to do is just go and click on edit channel for the channel. Then from here, just go to permissions. Then go to advanced permissions at the bottom of the screen. Then from here, just scroll down. And once you find embedded links, make sure to set it to cross. Click on Save Changes. Then just close this. And this will stop the embedded rectangle from the next time. But if you want the whole link to be blocked on Discord, what you need to do is just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Then inside your browser, just type this, YAGPDB, and this is the name of our Discord bot. Just go to their website, yagpdb.xyz. Then after going to their website, click here on control panel on the top right corner. Then just click on login using Discord. Then just authorize your Discord account with this bot. Make sure to read all of this and click on authorize. After that, you need to select your server from the top right. Just select your server. Then from here, just go to moderation. Then just go to basic auto moderator. Then from here, you need to go inside links and make sure this is enabled. Then just click on save changes. And now there are multiple settings you can set from here. Those are advanced settings. If you want, you can set those to ignore channels, to ignore some roles. You can do those if you want. I'm just going to close this. Now from here, from the next time, if anybody pastes any Discord invite link, the bot is going to block it for you. And basically that is how to block Discord invite links from your Discord server. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.